Welcome everyone. We present to you the top Black Friday and Cyber Monday camera deals of this year. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a content creator, or just shopping for someone who loves capturing memories, this guide highlights the cameras and accessories that combine cutting-edge technology with practical functionality. We have tracked countless deals to ensure that every product listed here delivers value, quality, and performance. The selection covers a wide range of cameras, from compact mirrorless models to professional full-frame options, ensuring there's something for every type of photographer. Kicking off our list, the DJI Osmo 360 is a versatile 360-degree camera designed for creators who want to capture every angle in stunning detail. It features a 1-inch sensor capable of shooting high-resolution 8K video, delivering crisp, professional-grade footage suitable for films, virtual tours, or immersive personal projects. The camera is both waterproof and rugged, allowing for use in a variety of environments, from outdoor adventures to underwater shoots, without compromising performance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, while the intuitive touchscreen interface ensures that beginners and experienced users alike can operate it with ease. Additional features include advanced stabilization, time-lapse recording, and real-time editing capabilities, making the DJI Osmo 360 a complete solution for creating immersive photography and video content. This combination of durability, quality, and ease of use makes it an exceptional choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Next up, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II with the RF 24-105mm lens is a versatile hybrid camera that delivers professional-grade performance for both photography and videography. It features one of Canon's fastest and most precise autofocus systems, capable of tracking fast-moving subjects and maintaining sharp focus even in challenging lighting conditions. This makes it ideal for sports, wildlife, events, or action photography where capturing split-second moments is critical. The included 24-105mm lens has remarkable flexibility, covering wide landscapes, detailed close-ups, and portrait shots without the need to swap lenses frequently. Combined with the camera's high-speed continuous shooting capabilities, it allows you to capture rapid sequences of images at up to 12 frames per second with mechanical shutter, and even faster in electronic shutter mode, ensuring you never miss an important moment. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II also supports 4K 60p video recording with 10-bit 422 internal capture, making it perfect for filmmakers who need cinematic quality footage. Its in-body image stabilization reduces camera shake for smoother handheld shooting, while dual card slots provide backup and extended storage for long shoots. Additional features such as customizable controls, weather-sealed body, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing, and advanced HDR capabilities make this camera a complete tool for creators who demand versatility, speed, and high-quality results in one reliable package. This Canon EOS R6 Mark II kit is ideal for serious enthusiasts, hybrid shooters, and professionals seeking a powerful all-in-one solution that balances flexibility, precision, and cutting-edge technology, making it an excellent investment for both current projects and future creative growth.
As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video right in the description and in the pinned comment down below.
Moving on, the Nikon D850 is a full-frame DSLR engineered for photographers who demand exceptional resolution, reliability, and versatility. Featuring a 45.7-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, it captures breathtaking detail and offers impressive dynamic range, making it ideal for landscape, studio, and wildlife photography where every nuance matters. The D850's robust build includes weather-sealed construction, magnesium alloy body, and durable shutter rated for extensive use, ensuring it can withstand professional workloads in challenging environments. Its broad ISO range from 64 to 25,600, expandable to 32 to 102,400, enables shooting in nearly any lighting condition while maintaining exceptional image quality and minimal noise. This DSLR also excels in speed and flexibility. With 7 frames per second continuous shooting, expandable to 9 FPS with the optional battery grip, it's perfect for action, sports, and wildlife photography. The 153-point autofocus system with 99 cross-type sensors provides fast, accurate focusing even on moving subjects. Additionally, the tilting 3.2-inch touchscreen LCD and high-resolution electronic viewfinder enhance composition, live view, and intuitive menu navigation. For videographers, the D850 supports 4K UHD video capture without crop, plus Full HD slow-motion recording, offering versatility for hybrid shooters. Dual memory card slots allow extended shooting sessions, and built-in Wi-Fi and SnapBridge support seamless file transfer and remote control. Overall, the Nikon D850 combines high resolution, durability, and advanced features, making it a trusted choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts who require a powerhouse camera capable of tackling any photographic challenge. For content creators and bloggers, the Canon EOS R50 paired with an 18 to 45mm lens is an ideal choice. This camera offers a 24.2 megapixel sensor, fast dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, and the ability to shoot oversampled 4K video without crop, producing sharp, vibrant footage. The compact design and flip-out touchscreen enhance versatility, making it easy to frame shots for both photography and video. Its lightweight form factor ensures portability, which is perfect for travel and hybrid shooting scenarios. For anyone looking to combine high-quality video and still photography, the EOS R50 provides an excellent entry point.
Next, the Canon EOS R100 is a compact mirrorless camera that balances performance with accessibility. It features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and dual-pixel autofocus for fast, accurate focusing. This camera can shoot at up to 6.5 frames per second, offering a solid option for casual action shots. The included 18 to 45mm lens is versatile enough for everyday photography, from landscapes to portraits. Its lightweight and user-friendly interface make it perfect for beginners or those upgrading from smartphone photography. Transitioning to full-frame mirrorless cameras, the Nikon Z6 III provides exceptional image quality and professional-grade features. It offers fast and accurate autofocus, superb low-light performance, and 6K video recording, making it a versatile choice for hybrid photographers and videographers. The Z6 III is built for adaptability, supporting various lenses and shooting modes to suit different creative needs. Its robust design ensures it can withstand regular use, while the intuitive controls make operations straightforward. This camera is ideal for both serious hobbyists and professional creators.
For those focused on blogging or compact travel setups, the Nikon Z30 paired with a 16 to 50mm lens is an excellent choice. Its lightweight body and high-quality sensor make it perfect for capturing crisp images on the go. While compact, the Z30 does not compromise on functionality. Offering fast autofocus and impressive image stabilization, it is an affordable option for content creators who need a reliable, travel-friendly camera that produces professional-looking results without the bulk of a full-frame system. Next up, the Panasonic Lumix S9 in pink combines style with performance. This full-frame mirrorless camera offers exceptional image quality, delivering high-resolution photos and detailed 6K video. The camera's compact body is designed with creators in mind, allowing for easy handling during extended shoots. Its combination of color, design, and professional features makes it a unique and practical gift for creators who want a stylish camera that performs at a high level. Moving on to the Sony ZV-E10, this compact mirrorless camera is specifically designed for bloggers and content creators who need high-quality results in a portable package. It supports 4K video recording at up to 30p
and delivers fast and reliable autofocus with real-time IAF.
and includes advanced image stabilization to reduce handheld shake, ensuring smooth, professional-looking footage. The camera's lightweight and compact body makes it ideal for travel, handheld shooting, and on-the-go content creation. Its fully articulating touchscreen allows easy framing, monitoring, and quick access to settings, while the PZ 16 to 50mm lens provides flexibility for a wide range of shooting scenarios, from close-ups to wider environmental shots. Additional features like a dedicated background defocus button, product showcase setting, and optimized audio capture with the built-in directional microphone make the ZV-E10 highly suited for blogs, tutorials, and social media content. With USB-C power delivery, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, creators can charge on the go, transfer files quickly, and control the camera remotely. Overall, the Sony ZV-E10 balances portability, functionality, and image quality, making it an excellent choice for creators seeking professional-grade performance in a compact, easy-to-use system. Finally, the Sony A7 IV is a high-end full-frame mirrorless camera designed for hybrid photographers who demand both top-tier photography and videography capabilities. It features a 33-megapixel sensor that delivers stunning image quality with excellent dynamic range, ensuring crisp detail and vibrant colors in every shot. For videography, the A7 IV supports 4K 60p recording, Sony S Cinetone color profiles,
and 10-bit 4222 internal capture, making it ideal for professional video production.
Its advanced autofocus system includes real-time IAF for humans and animals,
Plus real-time tracking, ensuring precise focus on fast-moving subjects in both photo and video scenarios. The camera's robust build includes weather-sealed construction, making it durable for demanding outdoor shoots. Its fully articulating touchscreen LCD, high-resolution electronic viewfinder, and customizable controls enhance usability, allowing photographers and videographers to work efficiently in diverse environments.
Additionally, the Alpha 7 Mark IV offers broad lens compatibility with Sony E-mount lenses, dual card slots, and fast wireless connectivity for easy file transfer. Whether capturing action, studio work, or cinematic footage, the Sony Alpha 7 Mark IV is a versatile, reliable, and professional-grade system for serious photographers and content creators seeking a complete hybrid solution. Seriously, thank you for watching. Don't miss out. Snag those epic Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals now before they completely vanish. Find the quick links waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest tech and holiday bargains. See you next time. Happy shopping!